At Ring, we believe we can help stop crime before it happens, and that everyone should have smarter home security. Motion-activated cameras around your home and security monitoring within create a true ring of security that provides protection both inside and outside your home. Ring Alarm is fully customizable and designed to fit your home, always keeping you connected and putting security in your hands. Traditional home security hasn't changed in years. Ring Alarm is a whole new way of looking at security. Intelligent home security with outdoor cameras, alarms, and lights. A video doorbell with two-way talk. A security hub with smart sensors inside your home that all connect to you wherever you are, home or away. Ring is dedicated to whole home protection and has changed the way we look at security. Professional monitoring means there's someone on call with 24/7 protection, and 911 response is right at your fingertips, wherever you are. Ring Alarm is designed to be simple to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require professional installation. You can even do it yourself in minutes. Ring Alarm doesn't cost an arm and a leg and doesn't lock you into long-term contracts like other security companies, because everyone should be able to afford to keep their family safe. Ring Alarm is dedicated to whole home protection, integrating seamlessly with Ring Spotlight Cams, Ring Floodlight Cams, Ring Video Doorbells, and many other trusted security products. So you'll always be connected to what matters most. Keep crime out and peace of mind within. At Ring, we're making neighborhoods safer, and that begins at home. There's no better way to protect your home than with Ring Alarm.